As I say, you can sell, you can be a professional seller on eBay or on Amazon. You see, this is what I'm selling myself in my shop on eBay. You don't need to go far. You don't need to say that you can't do something, even you don't have a job. You can do this job at home in the corner of your bedroom. So you don't need an office. Your office will be internet. You only need a computer, internet, and know how to do things. So if you follow our training, we are going to show you how to do this and where to get this cloth. You have to be smart like this. You see, this is a smart cloth. You can sell it on eBay and have a lot of money. That's why I say it's only 9 weeks of online business training that show you how and guarantee you how to make you a minimum of £600 a week. Follow our business model and Jean Secret formula. I will train you how, where and how to cut this cloth. You don't need to go and deal with middleman or scam people. You see, I'm a real person in front of you. I'm telling you what I'm selling myself in my work, in my online business. You can sell this. This is a suite. You see, I have so many things that you can sell, and I can show you how to have a wholesaler, and you sell it in the price of retail. This thing is for everyone who wants to be a financial free and sell on eBay, on Amazon, or another platform. There are so many platforms now where you can make your online business to be financial free. That's why I call this is a £1 million internet business plan. You see, this suite is very nice, and you sell it for people who like to be smart. I have so many clothes I can show you. Let's see. You see, these trousers, the normal price, you see, if you see the normal price is £129. Only these trousers. But when you sell it on eBay, you can sell it for £50. £50. But you still make 100% of profit. So don't go to scam people that will scam you, telling you everything where they don't have a real business, where they have what I call a business in their PO box, a business in their mobile phone, and they don't have a real business with a website. They have a website business to scam you. So if you are planning to start your online business, write your name on this training program in the link below, create2succeed.co.uk, or go to my website and you see what I'm doing, or buy my book, Live What You Love, the 20 Golden Secrets of Business Attitude. Thank you, and in the next video I will show you how to do this, where to get this cloth and sell it on eBay or open your online shop or e-commerce. Thank you, bye-bye, see you later. Don't forget to write your name on my training program, because people they want a shortcut program. If you want to make money, there is 2 things. You invest on yourself and learn. When you learn, you have the knowledge, and with your knowledge, you start making money. You don't need to invent new things. Don't try to recreate the hail. Just copy and pass and put your own attitude on what you are doing and change the world. You too can be the next millionaire in 5 years. In 5 times, you will be a next millionaire if you follow our business model and Jean Secret formula to get ahead. Thank you. And I say the formula who work for any company will work for you. That's why Coca-Cola keeping secret is formula, because people try to copy Coca-Cola. If they copy Coca-Cola, they will sell like a Coca-Cola. That's why Coca-Cola is keeping his secret. And secret is something that is about information or knowledge. It's not a magical something or something that people think that is something that you don't understand. When I say I have a secret, I have information that if I show you, your life will change for a better life. Don't say that you are homeless, you are jobless, you don't have a job. You can create your own job by doing what I'm doing myself. Don't forget to write your name in this training program, because I only train a small group of people. I help them to change their life for a better life. That's my way of giving back to the community. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you then.